everyone, in this tutorial we will be learning 3 steps to remove any object from a background. Create path, fill, and retouch the image. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Step 1. Create path. To open an image, go to File, Open. Select the image and press OK. My image is already opened, so I'm going to cancel. Select the background layer and make a copy. Right-click on it and select Duplicate Layer. Now select the pen tool. Start drawing a path around the subject you wish to remove. Click and drag the cursor to create a soft curve around the subject. Don't waste time by making the path particularly close to the edge. Use the direct selection tool to move any points and correct your shape. When you're finished, to close the shape, click on the point where you started creating it. Step 2. Fill. Go to the Layer panel and select Path. Press Ctrl or Command and right-click on the path thumbnail. The path will be turned into a selection. Now go back to the Layers tab and go to Edit, Fill. In the drop-down menu, select Content Aware. Leave the blending mode to normal and the opacity to 100%. Press OK to apply the changes. Based on the content, the tool will remove the entire animal from the image. Press Ctrl or Command plus D to deselect. Step 3. Retouch the image. There are improvements that can be made after the effect is applied. Select the Clone Stamp tool. Select the size you need. Hold Alt and press on a point of the image to sample it. Now click on a part of the image you want to cover up. The part of the image you sampled will be cloned over the part you want to cover. That's it. These were the 3 simple steps to remove any object from a background. Here you can see the image before and after. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.